Hello beautiful friends, what's up and welcome back to the Hair by Kate YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you Olaplex's brand new product, the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I'm also going to be doing a demo of using the number 8 on my mannequin Sue. We're going to get her hair nice and moisturized and just go through all the benefits of Olaplex's new number 8 and also show you how to use it. So our first step is going to be shampooing Sue's hair with the Olaplex number 4 shampoo. So I'm going to go do that off camera and then I'll be back to work in the number 8 with you guys. I also want to go ahead and mention that if you are looking for a wonderful mannequin company, I'll put the link for where I get all of mine below. These mannequins are amazing for coloring, styling, cutting practice, anything that you would want a mannequin to practice on. This company is hands down my favorite, and I've gotten all of my mannequins from there for the past 2 years or so, and now that I've used them I can never go back. So I just want to share that with you guys, so make sure you check out the link below if you need a mannequin. I've just finished shampooing Sue's hair with the Olaplex number 4 shampoo, and before we even begin to use our number 8, the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we get all of the excess moisture out of the hair. So whether you're doing this at home or in the salon on a client, you want to make sure that the hair isn't dripping wet so the Olaplex number 8 can really absorb into the hair. Just like all of the Olaplex products, the number 8 is very concentrated, so you only will need a little bit to get those really amazing results. The number 8 has an airless pump, which means you can easily pump out the exact amount that you need without any of the guesswork about wondering if you got too much or not enough, because the airless pump is going to give you the same amount of product every time. For shorter or finer hair types, you'll only need 1 pump. For medium hair types, you can start with 2, and for longer or thicker hair, you'll start with 3. Since Sue's hair is pretty long, we're going to be starting with 3 pumps. When using the Olaplex number 8, you're going to want to make sure that you're starting your application in the most troubled or dry areas of the hair, which typically is going to be on the mids and ends. So that's where we're going to start, and we're just going to work it through over our freshly shampooed damp hair and work it through those mids and ends. And then I like to tell my clients that last little bit that's left over on your hands, you can use that to work through the root area or the top of the hair. Now, what makes Olaplex number 8 really different than other moisturizing conditioners and moisture masks that you may have used in the past is that this one actually absorbs into the hair rather than sitting right on top. What that means for you is that the Olaplex number 8 is actually going to give your hair more volume and body rather than weighing it down like a lot of deep conditioners can do. After I worked the number 8 through with my hands, I like to either take a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush and just gently comb it through the hair to make sure that it's evenly saturated. And now that your application is complete, you're just going to let this sit for 10 minutes at room temperature. One keynote that I get asked about a lot with the number 8 is if you also need to use the number 5 conditioner on the same day that you're using the number 8, and the answer is no. On days that you want to use the number 8, it's going to replace your number 5 conditioner. So you do not need to use a regular conditioner on the same day that you use a number 8. And because the number 8 absorbs into the hair, you only need to use it once for about every 4 shampoos. So depending on how frequently you shampoo your hair will determine how frequently you need to do your number 8 treatment. I only shampoo my hair about once or twice a week, so I will either use it every other week or maybe even once a month, just depending on how frequently I've been shampooing. But because of that absorption into the hair, it's going to last you for about 4 shampoos. And all of the benefits that you get from the number 8, the moisture, the shine, the volume, that's all going to last you through those 4 shampoos. So this is not a product that you need to use daily. After your 10 minutes is up, you just want to make sure that you rinse the number 8 completely out of the hair. So now I'm going to let Sue's processing time finish up. I'll rinse and then I'll be back to blow dry with you. So here is our final look after using the new Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask on my mannequin Sue here. Her hair is obviously freaking flawless and looking way better than mine. I probably need to go do a treatment on myself now. So when I blew her out and styled her today, I didn't use any kind of smoothing, shine products, nothing except the number 8 because I wanted you guys to be able to see just how it does on its own. It obviously gives it amazing volume, and I know you can't feel it, but her hair feels so soft and moisturized and just completely 1,000 times better than it did going into this. If you use it on yourself at home, get it done in a salon, or use it on your clients, let me know if you love it as much as I do, because I can't get over how good it is. If you have any questions about the product, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help you where I can. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.